student. Myself, Dr M Shahid, PGT Biochemistry from Department of Chemistry, Delhi Public School, Jhansi. Today's we are starting from chapter number 12 of organic chemistry, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, and today's topic for lecture number 1 is for aldehydes. Now what about the aldehydes? Aldehydes are the organic compounds in which the carbonyl group is attached to the hydrogen atom and when alkyl or aryl group, where R can be an alkyl or aryl group. So carbon is a tetravalent, and tetravalent means the four valency of a carbon. Two are shared with the oxygen, one is shared by the alkyl group and one for the hydrogen. So RCHO is the chemical structure of aldehyde. Preparation of aldehyde by the oxidation of alcohol. So oxidation of primary alcohol in presence of an oxidization agent K2Cr2SO7 H2SO4 KMNO4 gives the 1 degree alcohol. On the oxidation of the above said catalyst, it is directly converted into the aldehyde, that is RCHO. By the dehydrogenation of alcohol, when the vapors of primary alcohol pass through the heated copper at 573 degree, it forms the aldehyde. So 1 degree alcohol, copper 573 converts into aldehyde group. Next, by the hydration of alkynes. So alkynes mean triple bond, 1 sigma 2 pi. So CH triple bond CH on the hydration, that is HOH. So H is the hydronium ion, which is an acidic, and OH is the hydroxyl ion. On the presence of mercuric oxide, it converts into the alkene, and this alkene further on isomerization converts into the ethanol, that is CH3CHO ethanol, that is aldehyde group. So what is isomerization? Remember, the compounds having the same empirical and molecular formula but different in their physical and chemical properties are known as isomers, and the phenomena so obtained is known as isomerism. By the Rosenmund reduction reaction, hydration of acyl chloride over palladium on barium sulfate gives the aldehyde. So this is the general formula of the benzyl chloride. The catalyst we have to taking is the palladium in presence of barium sulfate. It is converted into benzaldehyde. So it is an aromatic compound. Stephen's reactions. It is the reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles in presence of stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric gives the imine, which on hydroxy corresponding to the aldehyde. So RCHNH in the acidic medium converts into the aldehyde group. RCN, nitriles are separately reduced by the diisobutylyl iodinium aldehydes, and it can be represented by a shortcut formula of ALH-IBU ka whole twice in presence of water molecules. This DIBLH2 catalyst is directly converted to the cyanide group. Remember, CN is the cyanide and it is totally converted by the CHO, that is an aldehyde group. By the reduction of esters. Esters are reduced to aldehydes in presence of again diacetyl butyrium ammonium hydride, and this COOC2H5 is converted into CHO. So this compound is converted into aldehyde 1. By the oxidation of methyl benzene, Itard reaction. It is a very important reaction because in this reaction chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 oxidizes with methyl group to a chromium complex, which in hydrolysis corresponding converted into the benzaldehyde. So this is the formula of toluene. Toluene is converted into the chromium complex and chromium complex is converted into the benzaldehyde. Using the chromium oxide acetic anhydride. So this is again a toluene or substituted toluene is converted into benzaldehyde in presence of chromium oxide. So this is the chromium oxide formula and it is converted into benzaldehyde because CHA group is present on the benzene ring. By the side chain chlorination of hydrolysis, halogenation of toluene. So toluene on chlorination with HNu converts into the benzyl chloride, and benzyl chloride is further converted into the benzaldehyde at 373 degree Kelvin. Gattermann-Koch reaction, very important reaction. Gattermann-Koch reactions, benzene or its derivative on treatment with the carbon monoxide, hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous ammonium chloride or cuprous chloride gives the benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. So that is all the preparations of aldehyde. You have remember to write down all the chemical reaction in your fair notebooks and solve the quiz as per in the Google's classroom. Thank you very much and have a nice day.